Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to add appointment booking system on Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you actually add it in your Shopify store? Well, adding it by default, Shopify does not have the capabilities. But the great thing about Shopify here is you can actually add apps into your store so that you'll be able to add functionalities that is not immediately available on Shopify. In this case, how do we do that? Now, first thing we need to do is we need to go to our settings. Let's go and click on settings here. And from here, we need to go to apps and sales channel. In this case, go and click on Shopify App Store. And from here, what we need to do is we just need to search for the app that we want to use. But in this case, let's go ahead and just click on booking. Now in this case, there's going to be a lot of applications that you could choose from here. So in this case, some apps actually has their own use. So for example, we have the appointment booking app, Point2, appointment booking, Appointly, appointment booking here. There's going to be a lot of apps that you could choose here. But for now, we'll be using the appointment booking calendar. Let's go and choose this one. Now, in this case, some apps here are going to be paid, but we'll be using the free plan available here, which includes a free trial available. Let's go and click on install. Now from here, it's going to initiate the installation process. So it's going to ask you if you really want to install. Let's go ahead and click on install here. And from here, you should be able to install the app itself and lead you into the homepage of the app. So let's just wait for it to load up. But once it's actually loaded up, you should be able to see calendar here. Now it's going to say welcome to calendar. So in this case, we first have to enable calendar. Let's go and click on it. And from here, let's go to our team editor here. And at the top left here, you should be able to see the icon for enabling the calendar here. So let's just wait for it. So in this case, make sure it's actually enabled. Click on save. And from here, we want to go to our store page again and click on close. In this case, it's going to say or start loading it up. So it's going to redirect you to the next page here, which in this case, you have the features you want to use. But for now, we're going to use the free plan here. Now, if you choose the pro plan here, which is around $15 a month, you can actually utilize it to basically use the other features that is available. For now, let's go ahead and click on continue. Now you have the option to choose our language here, but for now, we're going to proceed with English. And from here, what is your time zone? So let's go ahead and choose the appropriate one here. So let's go ahead and click on continue here. But if you want to change it, you could go and change that. Now, in this case, what kind of services do you need to set up? For example, appointment that is lasts from 15 minutes to a few hours, less than 24 hours bookings. Let's go and click on continue. Yeah, we have the price for your appointments. We have the free here, which is the pro feature, paid on Shopify, which is a free feature. And if you want to paid but not on Shopify, so you need to get the payment yourself, is a pro feature here. But for now, let's go ahead and click on paid on Shopify and hit on continue. Now it's going to ask you, have you already created a product that will be your bookable service? So in this case, you first have to create your product here or your service at the product page. So in this case, go ahead and just create it, go to your product page and create your service. But for now, let's go ahead and click on yes here. So since we already have a product, let's go ahead and click on select product here. And I want to use the t-shirt here just to give you an idea on and just examples on how to use it. Let's go ahead and click on add. Now from here, it's going to choose that. And what we need to do is we just need to just click on continue. Now from here, you just need to set up the availability below. So in this case, it is available on weekdays. Choose the day here, which is every day, and start and end. So for example, maybe we want to say it's all going to be starting at around 9. And it's going to last around 15 to 30 minutes. So let's just choose 30 minutes here. So in this case, let's go choose 30 minutes here. So yeah. So in this case, you have every day, or if you want to add weeklies, you can go ahead and do that. But for now, let's go ahead and click on continue. Now, by the way, the end section here, you should be able to set it with the time that's actually available. So in this case, I'll make sure to increase this one. So let's just choose it for around 18 here is good. Click on continue. Now you have how many people can you deal with per time slot. So unlimited number of bookings per time slot, and I'm alone, do everything. So I just want to have one person max available booking per time slot. But for now, let's go and click on create my service. Now it's going to start loading it up. So let's just wait for it to finish creating our account. Now in this case, as you can see, we already have our service here. So if you want to view your service, just click on view here and that should load it up. As you can see, we now have the book now instead of add to cart. So if you click on book now, you should be able to start booking that specific service or that product into your store. As you can see, you have the options, so I have the slots here, and yeah. So that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.